taking this vast universe that we inhabit and bringing it to the people and doing so in a way that is very personalized. That is something that we strive very much to provide endless amounts of.
We had to come up with an encouraging educational piece that would bring people to us virtually, called Science Never Stops. You could have an explosive Mentos candy and diet soda reaction, or you could have a sit-down personal one-on-one interview with a NASA scientist.
We offered live and interactive programming, live streamed via Facebook. For example, we went down to the surface of Mars using an Xbox controller, zooming around the surface with unparalleled imagery.
We have a great opportunity here to sort of reflect on what we had, to go forward and do even greater than we did before.
Come visit us. We would love to see you. We are open now.
We are that place for space that you can go to and you can be an astronaut for a day in Huntsville, Alabama.